Welcome to Sharma Adventures. Today we venture out into Tierra Bonita Park in Lancaster. It is a great park to play for kids. It has some amazing twisty slides, great towers to climb, and a lot of interactive stations that involve with games, spelling, learning, and education. It does have a splash pad that goes on in the summer, so we can't wait till it does go on to have more summer fun here. It has all the right equipment for our kids, which are 8, 5, and a little over 1, and they had a blast playing. You can either make music, climb, slide, or run in the wide open fields that it offers in the shady areas. It is so fun to go. Your entire family will really appreciate this park. So this is a great park to go to if you need just to get out of the house and enjoy the day, celebrate a birthday or holiday event, or also just get out and have a picnic. They offer something for everyone and is so quiet and peaceful that you will love coming here. So where will we go next? To find out, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. All right now, bye-bye.